So hey there and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I will show you how to easily organize your Gmail inbox using filters, labels and categorize them, so which will help you manage your emails like a pro. So let me explain what you will learn in this tutorial. So you will learn how to use Gmail's default tabs like primary, promotions and social. You can learn how to create and manage filters, how to apply labels automatically, how to keep your inbox clean and organized with custom rules. So before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. So first of all, you have to go to your Gmail, and after clicking on Gmail you will see some options like inbox, shared, snoozed, etc. You can check the importance and chat ones all here, your all email here, your spam box, your trash box, your social updates, forums, promotional emails, etc. You can see from here. Now you will also see the Gmail options, which is primary, promotions and social. Here you can see primary is the personal emails, promotion is marketing emails, and social one is social network updates. On the left panel, as I told you, you will also find some options like inbox, thread, snooze, send, trash, etc. as I just mentioned you earlier. You can choose to show or hide these items label in settings. You can go to settings here at the top right corner. From there you have to search for the all settings option. It might be here. Here you can see this manage labels. Tap on to manage labels and you can choose which one you want to be shown or which one you want to be hide from your list. So for example, you can choose anything. So for now I would like to hide the forum, so I'm just going to tap on to show, and as you can see, forum is now has been hidden from my link. So you can see this here. What is, oh sorry, not forums, the categories one. Okay, the categories is now removed from here. So this is how you can choose, and you can also tap on to create new labels in order to hide them. Now let me show you how you can create a new filter. So to automatically sort emails, you can click the search bar options icon here. You can manually search, or also you can tap onto this filter logo here, this one, tap onto it, and from there you can filter the category. For example, you can search the email addresses, like which emails you want to see which has been sent to you. For example, manager@company.com, okay, to you. Then you can choose also the subjects, and also you can choose which words the email has, and the ones which does not have, like if you add some words like work or marketing, then if you search like this, then those emails will not be shown to you. Okay, now you can also choose the size of it, like if you want it to greater or less than megabytes, then KB or bytes. You can also choose that from how old you want to see the emails which are sent to you. Like I want to see the emails from the last 1 month, so I'm just click onto 1 month. If you want to see the longer, you can choose it and then tap onto the date. Now you have to tap onto this option called search. From there you can see all the mails or inbox one, is shared, sent email, drafts, etc. You just have to choose your preferred one and that's it. You can also check these items like has attachments or don't include chats. So now you have to tap on to create filter, and that's it. Then you can simply search and your filtered email will be shown to you. Now to create folders for different types of email, you have to go to the left sidebar and then scroll down to tap on to create new label, which include this plus icon. Tap onto this and from there name your label. For example, I'm gonna just add www. Then you have to tap on to nest it under the label. By the way, this one is optional. If you don't want it to complete, then you don't need to do it. So this is how you can create and use labels. As you can see, new labels will be added here at the bottom. You can see this. So this is how you can create label from here by clicking on create new label and then tap. You can also add nest label under it if you want. And to apply for a label automatically when creating your filter, choose apply the label. Okay, first let me go to the inbox. So when you are creating a filter here, you just tap onto the option called apply to label. So let's say you want all emails from your manager to be steered and labeled work. Now you have to open the search options, set from your manager's email, search for your manager's email, like search for it and then click the filter option here. Enter your manager's email to you, then you can customize them, or you can, if you don't want to customize, then you don't need to do it. Then you have to choose it, right click on the emails, then if you can tap onto label as. Okay, let me show this to you clearly. Just choose the emails you want to send to your labeled, like this one I would like to send it to my www. Then select the emails and right click on them. Then you can see this option called label as. Now you have to search for your label as option, which one to send, then tap onto that. Now go to www. Now you can see all your labeled emails here, but for now I'm just gonna delete them as I don't need here. Wait, select them and then tap Control Delete. So that's how you can set filters in Gmails to organize your emails. You can also use categories like promotions, social, like the same steps I showed you, you can use them exactly the same. So this is how you can create and organize your filters. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tips. And if you have got any questions, drop them below in the comment section and I will be happy to help you. Till then, take care and see you in the next video.